Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech, and in today's video I'm gonna guide you through how to join a group on Snapchat. So first of all, launch Snapchat app on your mobile devices. Now if you go to the chat category on your Snapchat account at the bottom left corner, you can see that there are no such groups in my Snapchat account. So in order to join a group, you would need specific link of the group in order to join that group. So you can ask your friends for the group link and then you can simply join it. However, if you don't have the link of the group, you won't be randomly able to get added into a group. So another step you can do in order to join a group is that simply launch Google Chrome or Safari on your mobile devices. Then simply search for Snapchat group link. Now over here you can see that this specific website provides Snapchat group links that are active. So you can simply tap on it and make sure that these websites are trusted and reliable. So I'm going to tap on this link. Now once you come over here, scroll down below and then you can see various groups name and links. So tap on any of these. I'm going to tap on this link. Now over here, you'll see a pop-up that says join group. So if you tap on this option of join group, you will successfully be able to join that specific group. So this is the only way through which you can join groups on Snapchat. You would need to have a link for that group. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.